Okay, we are going to look at the pattern for writing out all the radian measurements on the unit circle. All right, let's follow. And it's just easy to follow a pattern so that it just makes it easier to remember. So, all right, it's easier to try to memorize the first quadrant. You just want to memorize it. So the first quadrant is pi over 6. Let's color code this as much as we can. The next one's pi over 4. And the next one is pi over 3. All right, let's go around the unit circle, and we'll do orange for our 90s. I say 90s. Most people remember that pi is my 180. That's halfway around the circle. All the way around the circle is 2 pi. It's 1 pi, 2 pi. All right, let's go back to pi. Half a pi, which is halfway around my half circle, will be pi over 2. All right, now we're going to count by pi over 2's. So this is pi over 2 here. 1 pi over 2 plus another pi over 2 is 2 pi over 2. And 2 pi over 2 reduced is pi. Let's keep counting. 2 pi over 2. Next we have 3 pi over 2. Then we have 4 pi over 2. And 4 pi over 2 will reduce to 2 pi. All right, let's go with our 45s or pi over 4s. We're going to go in the middle. And here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to place a dot where I'm dividing up my 180 by 4 or pi by 4. So this is in the middle here. And these are just where I'm going to be counting. All right, now let's count by pi over 4s. We got 1 pi over 4. We got 2 pi over 4. And I'll write it up here just so you can see it. 2 pi over 4 is going to reduce to pi over 2. And you got 3 pi over 4, 4 pi over 4, and 4 pi over 4 reduces to pi. And you got 5 pi over 4, and you got 6 pi over 4. 6 pi over 4 reduces to 3 pi over 2. And you have 7 pi over 4. And then the next one is 8 pi over 4, and 8 pi over 4 reduces to 2 pi. All right, let's move to our pi over 3's, the purple. So we got pi over 3 is it is 60 degrees, same idea, but I'm going to count by 60s. That's pi over 3. This is like 120 here. I'm going to go here and count another 60 here, here, and I'm back here. All right, let's count by pi over 3's. We got 1 pi over 3. We got 2 pi over 3. Then we got 3 pi over 3, but 3 pi over 3 reduces to just pi. Then we got 4 pi over 3. Then we got 5 pi over 3. Then we got 6 pi over 3, which is just 2 pi. Now we're almost done. Last but not least, in the red, we're going to do our over 6's. Over 6, if you remember your pi, I'm going to write this as something over 6. So I'm going to make that 6 pi over 6. This is a little faster to count this way. Save you some counting. So I know this one is 6 pi over 6. I want to subtract 1 pi over 6. So that's going to make this 5 pi over 6. Then I'm going to add to 6 pi over 6, which makes this 7 pi over 6. Now we're almost there. Over here, your 2 pi, I want to write that as 12 pi over 6. Because I want to write it as something over 6. Subtract 1. That's 11 pi over 6. That's it. And again, the goal is honestly this is just a pattern to memorize the unit circle. There's many patterns, but just give it a try. Do your best. Practice until it's automatic.